Okay, I just want to address, if we could, how to take care of an exhaust leak. As you can see, this is on a CTLS. It's on a number 3 cylinder, which is the rear passenger side. And you can see where this exhaust has been coming out and leaking all through here, all over this spring and working, damaging this and your silicone. Then it gets all and gets to your tubing back in here, and all these hot gases can cause some damage. So how do we take care of that? Well, there's two ways. One, we can spread this loop and a loop down at the bottom a little bit and increase the spring tension a little bit, but this has already been done to this particular plane. So the other thing to do is we're going to come up, and right here we're going to loosen these exhaust header studs, nuts on this here. Then we come over to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to loosen these two. You'll also go to the opposite side and loosen all 4 of those. Once those have been loosened, then these pipes can turn in their sockets. Then you're going to come down and you're going to take this muffler and you want to pull it or push it over to the passenger side. And it takes quite a bit of force, so you got to get on the other side and you can put your foot against it and kick it back over to the passenger side, or you can take a block of wood with a pretty good size hammer, like a small little sledge, and put it on the other side of this pipe and drive it this way just a little bit. And you only need to come about a half an inch to an inch. And what that'll do is rotate this socket inside of this male and female socket so it sits straighter in here. And it should help seal this up. Then once you're done, then come back and tighten up all of your exhaust studs all the way around on both sides, and then you should be all set, and hopefully all this will go away. The other thing you can also do to add to this is you can take some of that header wrap and apply it just around this joint here, 2 layers or 2 wraps, and then place a clamp around that spot, and then in case you have a leak, it'll contain it in that spot and you won't have a problem. But pushing this muffler over and realigning this should help this out considerably.